How GDPR is enforced, powers of the Supervisory Authority. Hi everyone, and welcome back to CT Academy. Today, we're diving into how the GDPR is applied, specifically by the Supervisory Authority. You can think of them as the data protection watchdogs, making sure your personal information is handled responsibly. Let's break it down. Investigative powers. First, the supervisory authorities have the power to investigate. This could mean doing a full data protection audit on a company or checking out a complaint from a customer who thinks their data was misused. Let's say a social media app leaked user locations. The authority could step in, ask for details, and get to the bottom of it. Corrective powers. Next, if they find something wrong, they can take action. This includes giving official warnings, ordering the company to fix things, or even telling them to inform users about a data breach. Imagine your email provider got hacked and your data was exposed. The authority can force them to let you know. And yes, they can also fine companies, sometimes millions of euros. Authorization and advisory powers. Supervisory authorities also help set the rules. They create official templates, like contracts companies can use when sending data overseas, to keep everything GDPR compliant. And they issue certifications that show a company meets data protection standards. So they're not just enforcers, they're advisors too. Administrative fines. Article 83 now, about those fines. Article 83 of the GDPR sets the ground rules. Any fine must be effective, proportionate, and dissuasive. That means it should work, it should be fair, and it should make other companies think twice. Before setting the fine, authorities look at things like how serious the mistake was, whether the company fixed it quickly, and if this has happened before. So it's not just about punishment, it's about encouraging better behavior, putting it all together. In short, supervisory authorities are a big deal. They investigate, correct mistakes, set the rules, and hand out fines when needed. They're here to protect your data and make sure companies stay on track. Want to learn more? At CT Academy, we help you go from GDPR confusion to GDPR confidence. Visit ctglobal.my or click the link in the description to explore our full training programs. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next CT Academy video.